Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Halti Martin, the host of this show where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Halti Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. In diligencing a startup, the size of the market is a key question. The larger the market, the greater the growth potential of the startup. There's rarely a need to pay for research as so much exists on the web. In searching the web, you'll find research reports giving market sizes, trends, analysis, and more. The key here is to analyze the market at three levels. The first is total available market, which is anyone the company could ever sell to. The second is serviceable market, which is the target market the company wants to serve. The third is the beachhead market, which is the first niche the company will pursue. Ideally, this is a small but well-defined group of companies that fit the startup's current product. It may not be the biggest or most lucrative, but rather is the easiest to pursue. The startup should have some interactions with the companies in the beachhead market already. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start up something today. Halti Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinions of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon for the basis of investment decisions.